Greetings, family. You know, in our life, it kind of sad still, but you have some people who can't cook. Can't cook to save them life. Not even boil water, like literally, to do some tea, them can't do it. I remember watching a video online, and the lady literally, she come on showing how her significant other was upset with her. She did a fish tea. The person that asked her for a fish tea. And can you imagine, you know what she put in the tea? Everybody know what them put in a regular, you that said tea is made of herb and, you know, milk base and all of them things. She go put sugar in the fish tea. So yes, you know, thumbs up for use fish in the water to make fish tea, but she literally thinks it was like peppermint tea or ginger tea or something where add sugar to. Can you imagine? And these are things where people take for granted, you know. Some people out there just don't know how to cook. And whether it is a case where them grow up in a microwave age where the food is cooked the day before by their parents, and them their work and the food in the fridge, and all them do is just come home, take out the package of food, combine it. Some of them will have it packaged out in a different package, and all they do is just pop it in the microwave, press start, and the food ready in a couple minutes. If you know somebody who you need to unlock that barrier, that you just said that mountain of can't cook to save themselves, whether it be breakfast, lunch or dinner, or even if them sick and they want some soup or some tea, they can't do it to save their life. We have a course coming up. Yeah man, a cooking course. And in fact we have a recipe book that over more than 2 decades in this industry. In this book we put a lot of game-changing recipes in it. And this is available on Amazon. It's available on Amazon. I am the author. You can see the name down there. Yeah, I am the author. And basically there are some excellent recipes in it. It is good for persons who know a little bit in the kitchen, but even for beginners, it is great. And if you know somebody in your life, whether it be your wife, your son, your mother, your daughter, somebody, a cousin, your friend next door, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife to be, if you never get that opportunity to learn from your grandmother or your mother who was just a great cook, you know, you're gone to college, you're gone to country, you're going to a different country, a lot of people find themselves in a situation where they don't know what to do. And when you're going to a different country, the whole culture is different, the food is different, everything like that is different, and food on the road is expensive. And if you are to make it in that country, you know, you're all alone and everything, it's gonna be expensive if you are to eat out every single day. And something like this, a cooking course that we'll be offering soon, will help you to save some money. You'll be able to go out there and buy the food that you would like to eat, whether you're a vegan, meat lover, or you're on a diet, you want to lose some weight. We have spices, you know, like spice blends that are available on Amazon, and this has been changing lives. I use this spice blend in everything that I'm doing. Like literally, if I'm doing curry, doing stews, doing baked chicken, doing jerk, you name it, I use the herbs, I use the spice blends that I have combined over the years based on persons' feedback and everything as I cook for them, whether it is institutional cooking, whether it is private cooking, because persons hire me as like a private chef for their parties, get-togethers, you name it, fundraisers. So I've been feeding persons like between 5 person, even 1 person, cooking for 1 person all the way up to 500, 800 persons in a day. And this is like fundraisers, fish fries, barbecues, you name it, right? For non-profit organizations, for churches, for, you know, whatever the cause is. If somebody is sick and they're trying to raise funds to do a surgery, you name it, you know. So I've been cooking for a while, and I've been cooking for thousands of persons over the years, and I have been able to cook with little bit of money, like using $1,000 to feed somebody, a family, you know. And there are various ways you can save money. We can go through workshops with that, where you get to ask questions beforehand, and then you will be getting information to make your life even better. So if you know somebody who don't know how to cook, who has never been so savvy in the kitchen, but they would love to step up to the game, like produce great food, this is a winning opportunity for them. So stay tuned and I'll keep you updated. Check out the book on Amazon. It's available right now. The spice is also there. It's available right now. If you type up this name, Jermaine Wedderburn, you'll find it. If you need a link, I'll leave it in the description so you can click it and find your book. What would be great is if you're overseas, you'll get this book and the spice, because anything that we'll be sharing how to cook and whatever, we'll be using both of them. So the recipe will be in the book and the spice will be there for you to season anything. Alright, so stay tuned and get ready for your breakthrough in the kitchen. Let's make some home chefs. Alright, cool.